Good morning, children. Yesterday's class, you understood? Nice. Good morning, every one of you. Very, very good morning. Good morning. Actually, we'll just start in 2-3 minutes, okay? Because many students they need to come now. Just like 2-3 minutes, we need to wait, okay? एंड जुआलॉजी क्लासेस में कोई कंफ्यूजन है बच्चों? आपका जुआलॉजी क्लासेस दीप सर नया टीचर आया ना? यू आर ऑल हैप्पी विथ हिम? नो? What? Then why you did not tell? That means what's the problem, बच्चों? What is the issue? रजिया, वेदिका बेटी एंड अनुजा, आविष्कार, क्या हुआ? कुछ समझ नहीं आता? यू आर नॉट अंडरस्टैंडिंग? मतलब कैन एनीवन स्पीक चिल्ड्रन? कैन यू ऑल स्पीक लाइक क्या एग्जैक्टली व्हाट हैपेंड? सर समझा आता है, इशिता इज टेलिंग समझ में आता है एंड व्हाट एग्जैक्ट लाइक समझ में नहीं आ रहा है। सी फॉर एग्जांपल आई एम आल्सो टीचिंग।
सर का समझ में आता है बट सर 12th स्टैंडर्ड के क्वेश्चंस पूछते हैं और हमसे ऐसा उन्हें लगता है कि हमें आंसर आना ही चाहिए 12th स्टैंडर्ड के। और
या बेटा सुन रहे मैं? निमोटिक से प्रोडक्ट, हाँ बेटा बोलिए। आई एम लिसनिंग। बहुत गुस्सा।
सर बार-बार गुस्सा
में
होते हैं।
आंसर नहीं आया तो बार-बार गुस्सा होते हैं हम पे और बार-बार हाफ लेक्चर में ही लीव करके चले जाते हैं सर।
ओके ही लीव्स इन हाफ लैंग्वेज क्लास में समझ में अच्छी नहीं होती। ओके दैट मीन्स टीचिंग फास्ट हो रही है 12th क्लास का लैंग्वेज। Okay children, so can you please send me all your feedbacks in my chat box, like that WhatsApp group में can you send, so that today I'll take meeting with Ashish sir and then I'll discuss कुछ तो change करेगा। So you send me WhatsApp, so today I'll make a meeting। sir इस सब कुछ बज दो क्या? what is this? I don't know। कोई बाप रे, I don't know sir, and too much time wasting। sir is not teaching in detail, status रखते हैं। क्या status रखता है? I don't know what is status रखता है means what? Not getting his teaching method of mnemonics। what is this?
11th स्टैंडर्ड के स्टूडेंट्स को टारगेट करके।
okay WhatsApp status, okay half lecture में, yeah that I I saw. Okay, चलो बच्चों, whatever your genuine feedbacks है ना, you please send me in the group. Okay, today I'll sir medical year का क्वेश्चन पूछता है मेडिकल ईयर का स्टेटस में बहुत डेंजर डाला था. व्हाट इज दैट स्टेटस? लेट मी चेक वन सेकेंड. You, I'm not understanding because technically I'm very weak na. What is it? Deep sir, deep. Like to join. What is status means? What is the meaning of status बच्चों? क्या करना है? What is the status? Status मतलब that that status means status only na. Okay, I don't know whatever it is. So test syllabus not telling on group. Sir, WhatsApp status. I don't know what is this WhatsApp status. मेरा भी WhatsApp है ना, but what is this status called? What? Means कैसे चेक करना है? स्टेटस कैसे चेक करते हैं बच्चों? स्वाइप राइट है या मैं स्वाइप किया, क्या हुआ? स्वाइप किया, क्या हुआ? ओके, चलो बच्चों, प्लीज लिसन टू मी, डोंट गेट वरी बिकॉज आई ऑल्सो टीच जूलॉजी. आपको भी पता है ना, सो आई एम बेसिकली जूलॉजी टीचर. हमारा कैंपस में अवेलेबिलिटी नहीं है, दैट्स व्हाई आई एम टेकिंग बॉटनी. बट वॉट एवर योर फीडबैक्स ना, प्लीज सेंड टू द ग्रुप. ओके ओके, एंड इन द ग्रुप व्हेन यू सेंड ना, हमारा ग्रुप है ना, हमारा व्हाट इज 11th क्लास बायोलॉजी ग्रुप इज देयर ना. इन दैट यू विल सेंड द post na, you will send your doubts and all na. Okay, and you send me in the group so that today evening मैं आशीष सर से मैं एक मीटिंग लेता है एंड आगे क्या है हम सोचते हैं. ओके बच्चों, इज दिस ओके? चलेगा ना? एंड डोंट गेट वरीड. ओके, आई डोंट टेक एनी नेम्स बच्चों, इतना चीप माइंडेड नहीं है. बट सी, यू आर टेलिंग योर जेन्युइन फीडबैक, इसमें आपको नाम लेता है, ऐसा ऐसा नहीं है. अंडरस्टैंडिंग ऐसे बिल्कुल नहीं होता बच्चों. आई एम टेलिंग यू, याद रख बच्चों, व्हाट एम आई टेलिंग, याद रख. इफ यू डोंट लाइक माई टीचिंग ऑल्सो, यू से मी सर गेट आउट. आई एम टेलिंग यू बिकॉज एंड ऑफ द डे यू हैव टू बिकम डॉक्टर्स. आप रिजल्ट देखना है, सर क्या है, क्या सोच, क्या, व्हाट इज दिस नॉनसेंस. अंडरस्टैंडिंग मैं क्या सोचता है, आई विल गो टू अनदर ग्रुप. यू आर अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट और नॉट? सो idiots will always be idiots. Teaching unresponsive student is harder than to put. No, this is not the teacher's attitude. Chill. Okay, you wanted to know the syllabus of zoology? Okay, I'll ask him and I will. Yeah, it is not correct. Okay, it's not good. Okay, it's not good. Really, it's not good. Yeah, I do accept it, and I'll talk to him. If he change, he will. Otherwise, we will get another teacher. Okay, we will bring another teacher. Okay, but we will give a chance. Okay, एक chance तो देना है ना बेटा. Okay. थोड़े शॉर्ट टेम्पर्ड है. Yeah, okay, we will end up because मेरा class is important ना. So it's already easy. We wasted around 7 minutes है ना. 7 minutes हम बात ही कर रहे. So please, okay, definitely you send me in the group and I'll listen to you and I'll take the steps whatever is good for you. Okay, at least trust me, there is no problem. आपको तो जब तक till I am there as HOD biology के लिए कोई problem नहीं आएगा. Understanding it? So biology department I am the HOD, head of the department I am, till I am working as HOD, so आपको problem नहीं आएगा. Okay, trust me at least. Okay, so yeah, definitely I'll ask zoology syllabus and I'll let you know. Okay, you're not a single. What is you're not a single problem matlab? That means I also have some problems. That means मेरा teaching में कुछ issues है क्या? Then what is this called? You are not a single problem matlab? Oh, okay, you are asking that. बच्चों, you need to remember we have 38 chapters. एक ही टीचर if we teach ना 2 year का syllabus, it goes to 4 years. बाप रे बच्चों, need syllabus you have 38 chapters, 10 units. बाप रे alone एक ही person I can't be able to handle. Otherwise I have to take everyday class, then only it is possible. Unless I take, मान लो if I take everyday's class, remaining batches, understanding it, ये बहुत problem है. Okay, so इसलिए we take two botany. See, for example, you are batch number 1 है ना, batch number 1 में I am taking botany, and the other batch में, batch number 4 में I am taking what? Zoology. ओके, ऐसा मैं एक बैच को जूलॉजी पढ़ाते, एक बैच को मैं बॉटनी पढ़ाते, ऐसा. ओके, चलो बच्चों, इट्स 10 minutes हो गया. प्लीज लेट मी स्टार्ट एंड आई लिसन टू यू एंड आई टेक एक्शन. ट्रस्ट मी. ओके, डेफिनेटली. सो लेट अस स्टार्ट प्लीज. ओके, नाउ यस्टरडेज क्लास में वी स्टार्टेड द मोस्ट important topic, very important topic, that is what? Classification of fungi. Understanding it? In that we completed Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes. और कितना बचे है बच्चों? और I don't show. You will after you will see and tell and the answer. और कितना बचा है? और कितना groups are left to discuss? Tell me. Phycomycetes. Next one is what? Ascomycetes. And next one is what? Basidiomycetes, Deuteromycetes and Mycophycomycetes. So 5 groups are there. Yesterday Phycomycetes and Ascomycetes 2 हम पढ़ाया. और कितना बच्चे? 2 हम पढ़ाया. So और कितना बच्चे हम कितना? 3 बच्चा है. Understanding it? Now this 3 today we will try to complete. I am not promising बच्चों. Okay, I will try. मैं कितना कर सकते उतना करेगा. Understanding it? Now the next group is nothing but Basidiomycetes. You know the complete fungus में बच्चों, really I am not exaggerating the things, मैं सच में बोल रहे, the complete fungi classification and fungi kingdom में the most unique group of the fungi is nothing but Basidiomycetes. Sir, why are you calling like that? Ascomycetes, yeah, it is having some special characters, but still इतना uniqueness नहीं है. Phycomycetes, yeah, it is having the characters, but इतना like it is also having some unique characters, but like so much like variation is not there. But Basidiomycetes is the only group of fungi which show like too much of vertical variation. Sir, इतना too much of variation क्या है? Just give me 1 minute. 1 minute में I'll tell you what is that variation. 1 minute, only 1 minute. Now, Basidiomycetes, so all involved, yeah, all characters are involved, but that characters में थोड़ा change is there. All एक fungi क्या characters it will show. Every character it will be shown by what? Basidiomycetes, but थोड़ा advanced level. It is Chitti 2.0 version. It is Chitti, not 1.0 version. Understanding it? ये fungi में the 2.0 is nothing but what? Basidomycetes. Sir, what sir you are telling so much? What is that? Wait 1 minute. थोड़ा suspense रखना है हम. Now, Basidomycetes, we will start. It is commonly called as club fungi. Sir, why? Again, you need to wait. Suspense. Okay? Suspense. बिल्कुल नहीं. मैं कुछ भी बोल रहे. It's not suspense. Just wait for reproduction. Okay? It is also called as club fungi. And if you take their habitat, they live in terrestrial. Terrestrial matlab, I already many times, whenever I get chance, I used to tell terrestrial matlab, they lives on land and grow on the soil and wooden logs and understanding it and dead plant bodies, and even some are acting as parasites also. That is the habitat. Whereas the cell wall, obviously it is made up of what? Chitin. Where you remember ना, I just now told Basidomycetes is 2.0. Why it is 2.0? थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो बच्चों, प्लीज थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. मान लो this mycelium is, बच्चों mycelium मतलब yesterday also I told you what is mycelium बच्चों, the body of the fungi, it is called as mycelium. मान लो this is cell number 1 and this is cell number 2. अंडरस्टैंड. एग्जाम्पल के लिए आई एम टेलिंग यू वन एग्जाम्पल के लिए, मान लो दिस इज सेल नंबर 1 एंड सेल नंबर 2. द हाइफे आर सेप्टेट, बट प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, मैं क्या बोल रहा हूं, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड. द सेप्टम, इट इज हैविंग अ पोर, इट इज हैविंग ए पोर. बच्चों प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, देख रहे, दैट मीन्स दिस इज वन सेल है ना, and this is another cell है ना, one cell to another cell you can be able to a septum, but that septum it consisting of pore. दिख रहे हैं ना बच्चों, this is a pore. Understanding it? And this pore, please understand, this pore कैसे दिख रहे हैं बच्चों? Usually pore कैसे दिखते हैं बच्चों? You tell me. Usually pore कैसे दिखता है? ऐसा दिखता है. Am I correct or not? But how many of you noticed that this pore में, this पोर मतलब होल बेटा, होल बेटा. यस, पोर मतलब यू आर करेक्ट, होल ओनली. बट आपको दिख रहा है ना, दिस पोर इट इज हैविंग अ ब्रैकेट लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. बच्चों दिख रहा है ना आपको? यूजुअली पोर मतलब ऐसा होता है, होल, बट इधर द पोर इट स्प्रेड्स लाइक ए ब्रैकेट एंड दिस इट इज कॉल्ड एज, दिख रहे बच्चों, व्हाट इज दिस? इट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट इज दिस? व्हाट इज दैट? रीड इट. Parenthysome. What is that, bachcho? Parenthysome. Now tell me, bachcho, what do you mean by parenthysome? Okay. No, septal pore. It is a septal pore. It is septal pore only, beta. It is septal pore only. Okay. Now tell me, first point, what is the meaning of parenthysome? What is parent chromosome? क्या बात कर रहे हैं आप? Bracket like pore that is present between two cells, that is called as what? Parenthysome. Understanding it? And this pore, exactly this pore is there ना, this pore का हम बोलता है dolichopore septum. It is this particular septum, it is having that pore ना, and this whole unit, this complete unit को उसको बोलता है, what is that बच्चों? Dolichopore septum. Understand? Now you tell me बच्चों, what do you understand from what I call parenthysome and dolichopore septum? Tell me whatever you understood. There is no problem, bachcho. If you tell wrong, I am here to correct. At least I am there na. So you believe me and you tell what wrong also chalega mujhe. The septum which is having, yes, parenthysome, it is called as dolichopore septum. Excellent answer, Rajya. Very good. But you did not tell what is the meaning of parenthysome. First of all, first you have to tell parenthysome and बाद में dolichopore septum आएगा बेटा. Yes, bracket like pore. Spore नहीं बेटा, ओंकार. It's not spore, it is pore. Pore मतलब opening. The bracket like pore that is present between two cells is called as what? Parenthysome. And the septum which is having parenthysome, it is called as a dolichopore septum. Okay. And this, bacho, trust me, no way, in no any other fungi you can't be able to see this type of what I call character. This type of character is only seen in, it is a characteristic feature of only Basidomycetes. Ascomycetes, no. Deuteromycetes, no. Phycomycetes, no. Phycomycomycetes, no. That means nowhere this type of character can be seen in the complete kingdom of the fungi, only except in the Basidomycetes. Is this clear, children? Yes. Okay. वेरी क्लियर, नाइस, वेरी वेरी गुड। नीट में आएगा तो क्या है, व्हाट एम आई टॉकिंग, ये आया, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट। डॉलीपोर सेप्टम इज अ कैरेक्टरिस्टिक फीचर ऑफ डैश क्लास और डैश ग्रुप ऑफ fungi. Tell me what is the answer, bachcho. This question it is asked. What? It is going to be asked also in the future also. Now tell me what is the answer. Dolichopor septum is the characteristic feature dash group of the fungi. Basidiomycetes. What? Parthenosome. What is it? Parenthosome is a pore that can be seen dash group of what is fungi. Basidiomycetes. And this question, Dolichopor septum, it is already asked in your NEET exam. Okay, now second unique characteristic, you understood, of course you already told, but safety ke liye, you know na, I always think about safety. Which year I don't know, but मेरा date of birth only मुझे समझ में नहीं है, मुझे याद नहीं रहेगा. And you're asking about NEET में कौन सा 36 years में, where it is asked, I don't know. Okay, I don't remember my date of birth बच्चों. Suddenly if you ask, I can't tell. थोड़ा टाइम दे देगा तो I can tell. And all of a sudden, what is your date of birth? थोड़ा confuse होता है मैं. Okay. Now, first unique character, you understood? Shall I take the second unique character? Second unique character, I'll take now. Now, but for second unique character, थोड़ा time चाहिए because I wanted to rub the board. Otherwise, where I supposed to write? That's why just half minute, only half minute. Now, yes, bachcho, the second unique character is, this is the Basidiomycetes hypha. Basidiomycetes hypha में this is cell number 1, cell number 2, cell number 3. Example के लिए, now cell number 1, it is separated by cell number 2 by septum, but this septum it consisting of a bracket like of pore that is called as what, parenthosome, and this type of septum it is called as Dolichopor septum. Now second unique character, very such में it is unique character बच्चों, really it is unique character. One cell it is connected to the second cell by producing a clamp like connection. This cell it is connected to this cell by a clamp like connection. Understanding it? And this clamp like connection, this is now देखो, the second cell it is connected to the third cell by a clamp like connection. देख रहे हैं ना बच्चों, मान लो this is cell number 1, and मान लो this is cell number 2, and मान लो this is cell number 3, and मान लो this is cell number 4. Now you remember na, now you can see na, cell number 1 it is connected to the cell number 2 by a clamp like connection. Now cell number 2 it is connected to cell number 3, that is nothing but what, clamp. So presence of clamp like connection, a tubular clamp like connection is present only in Basidiomycetes बच्चों. clamp connection समझ में आने children? Clamp connection, is this clear? आपको clamp connection में any confusions are there? One cell it is connected to another cell by a tubular clamp. That tubular clamp like connection, nowhere बच्चों, nowhere you can be able to see except in Basidiomycetes. Only in Basidiomycetes you can be able to see. No Ascomycetes, no Deuteromycetes, no Phycomycetes, no Phycomycomycetes. Only in Basidiomycetes. Now I done, I completed. Now आपका part बचा है. Now tell me, what are the two unique, very very unique characters that can be seen in Basidiomycetes, and these unique characters nowhere you can be able to see. What are the two unique characters? I am waiting for your answer, that's why मैं कुछ भी बात नहीं कर रहा. Yes, Dolichopor, no, okay, your answer is correct there. Yes, Dolichopor septum and clamp connection. Okay, parenthosome and Dolichopor septum एक ही point में आएगा. When you are calling Dolichopor septum, by default you are taking the name of parenthosome, so you need not separately mention parenthosome. Okay, automated by default only. So Dolichopor septum and clamp connection is the only class of the fungi which show these two characters, and no any other class of the fungi it will show this type of character. Okay, clamp connection, देखो this is cell number 1 and this is cell number 2. Okay बच्चों, This is cell number 2. Now one cell, it is connected to another cell by a tube like clamp, and this is tubular clamp like connection which is connecting between two cells, and that can be seen only in basidomycetes. Kalpesh, samajh mein na? One cell, it is connected to another cell by a tubular clamp like connection, and that can be seen only in the basidomycetes. Kalpesh, is this clear? Yes. Okay. Now asexual reproduction, it takes place by fragmentation, and also usually basidomycetes, it don't produce spores, it takes place only by fragmentation. Okay. And sexual reproduction, it takes place by somatogamy and also spermatization. Okay. Okay. This slide में any doubts are there बच्चों? Can I ask 2-3 questions? This slide में any doubts in this slide? Just 2-3 questions, ज़्यादा नहीं, only 2-3 questions. Yes, okay. Now tell me, basidomycetes is otherwise called as dash. Basidomycetes is otherwise called as dash. Club fungi. Okay. Now basidomycetes cell wall, it is made up of chitin. Okay. And what is the specialty of this chitin cell wall? Yes, basidomycetes cell wall, it is made up of chitin. But what is, there is some speciality in this chitinous cell wall. What is that speciality? The chitinous cell wall of basidomycetes has a speciality, that is nothing but Dollipore septum, and one cell, it is connected to another cell by a clamp like structure. So clamp connection can be seen only in basidomycetes. Now asexual reproduction of basidomycetes has one speciality. What is that speciality? Basidomycetes is usually don't prefer to produce spores. Usually it undergoes fragmentation only. Understanding it? So usual cases may don't show the spore production. Understanding it? So what are the two methods by which the sexual reproduction takes place in basidomycetes? What are the two ways by which basidomycetes fungi show the sexual reproduction? Yes, somatogamy and spermatization. Okay बच्चों, ये स्लाइड में any no confusions ना? Confidently, like sir, no problem, confidently you go to the next slide. ऐसा है क्या? No doubt. Okay. Now yes, now the next one is somatogamy. बच्चों, what is somatogamy? If you take somatogamy, please understand the two hypha of the mycelium. Tell me, what is that बच्चों? The two hypha of the mycelium. Understand it? Different mycelium, they come close and they fuse. बच्चों समझ में आ रहा है ना? Two hypha of different mycelium, देखो, they came close. दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? And after they come close, their septum, it will be dissolved and it results in the formation of एक ही सेल में plasmogamy takes place. Now देखो, एक ही सेल में क्या टेक्स प्लेस बच्चों? प्लास्मोगमी टेक्स प्लेस. सो एक ही सेल में हाउ मेनी न्यूक्लियस विल बी देयर? 2 न्यूक्लियस. एक ही सेल में डाइकैरियन स्टेज. ओके. नाउ इधर तक समझ में ना बच्चों? डाइकैरियन स्टेज, दैट मींस पॉइंट नंबर 1 तक एनी डाउट्स आर देयर? दिस इज पॉइंट नंबर 1, द फर्स्ट पॉइंट ऑफ सोमेटोगमी में डाइकैरियन स्टेज. समझ में ना? ओके. नाउ इधर से प्लीज थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो बच्चों, प्लीज थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनो. नाउ listen carefully, very carefully, not carefully बच्चों, very carefully you listen. Okay, otherwise मैं बोल रहे ना, मैं खुद ही बोल रहे ना, आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. Unless you listen carefully, I am telling you, you don't understand. Now मान लो बच्चों, this is one cell, and मान लो बच्चों, this is second cell, मान लो this is a third cell. Okay बच्चों. Now in this how many plasmogamy happened? Now tell me, plasmogamy का वजह से how many nuclei are there? डाइकैरियन में 2 है ना. नाउ दिस दोनों न्यूक्लियाई, इट अंडरगोस 1 माइटोसिस. दोनों न्यूक्लियाई, इट अंडरगोस व्हाट बच्चों? 1 माइटोसिस. नाउ 1 माइटोसिस की वजह से दिस न्यूक्लियाई, it produce one extra nuclei and this nuclei also produce one extra nuclei. बच्चों ये point समझ में ना, this is a soul, whole somatogamy में this is a soul. Okay, now tell me, I did not understand, you understood but I did not understand, tell me आपको क्या समझ में आया? If you don't tell, मैं आगे जाएगा ही नहीं, I don't go आगे, मैं आगे जाएगा ही नहीं. हाँ, टेल मी. प्लास्मोगमी का वजह से 2 न्यूक्लिय आर देयर. ओके, हाँ, नाउ 2 न्यूक्लिय, दोनों न्यूक्लिय अंडरगोस 1 माइटोसिस. दैट मींस नाउ दिस न्यूक्लिय इट बिकम्स इनटू 2 एंड दिस न्यूक्लियस आल्सो बिकम्स इनटू 2. दैट मींस एक ही सेल में हाउ मेनी न्यूक्लिय आर देयर नाउ? एक ही सेल में हाउ मेनी न्यूक्लिय? 4 न्यूक्लिय. पक्का समझ में है ना? इसमें 4 न्यूक्लिय में, प्लीज अंडरस्टैंड, 4 न्यूक्लिय में by the clamp, 1 nuclei will travel into the first cell, and through the clamp, the another nuclei it travel into the third cell. That means all the 3 cells they consisting of 2 2 2. समझ में आना चिल्ड्रन? सच बोले, you have to tell truth. क्या समझ? ओके, यू आर टेलिंग एस ना, बट मुझे एस नहीं, मुझे नो ओनली. टिल यू टेल, मुझे नो ओनली. टिल यू टेल व्हाट यू अंडरस्टैंड, मुझे एस नहीं होता है. हाँ, टेल मी व्हाट यू अंडरस्टूड. वॉट एवर यू अंडरस्टूड यू टेल मी. हाँ, दिस इज ओके. दिस इज नाउ टेल मी, दिस इज सेल नंबर 1 and this is cell number 2 and this is cell number 3. Tell me बच्चों, and due to mitosis 4 nuclei are formed. Now 4 में what happened बच्चों? 1 nuclei it migrates to the cell number 1, so 2 nuclei हो गया. The another nucleus it enters into the cell number 3, so इधर भी 2 nuclei. Understanding it? That means all the 3 nuclei consisting of what? All the 3 nuclei consisting of what? 2 2 2 2 nuclei. Understanding it बच्चों? Yes. Okay. Children, okay ना? सबको okay ना? Is it okay for everyone? Yes. Now देखो, and all these particular 3 cells में earlier क्या कितना है बच्चों? 2 2 2 2 nuclei are there ना? They all undergoes what? Karyogamy. बच्चों karyogamy means many times I told you, many times I told you, fusion of nuclei is called as karyogamy. Now earlier दो nuclei है ना? Now they all becomes only 1 1 1. Okay children? Okay children? समझ में है ना बच्चों? Okay, one diploid nuclei, and after it becomes one diploid nuclei, every cell it produces a club shaped sac. बच्चों club मतलब how many of you have seen Bahubali movie बच्चों? Bahubali part 1 part 2 you have seen na? In that Bhallal Dev will hold a kind of weapon. Did you see that? It is called as club. Club मतलब कैसा होता है ना? ऐसा होता है. Club मतलब this is called as club. हनुमान जी है ना, ऐसा मारता है, उसको बोलते हैं हम गधा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? गधा नहीं, गधा मतलब डोंकी, इट इज गधा. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? Okay, so this is हनुमान जी ऐसा मारता है ना. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? एंड दैट इज कॉल्ड एज व्हाट? क्लब. ओके, इंग्लिश में हम बोलते हैं क्लब. सो एवरी सेल, every dikaryon stage में every cell it produces a club shaped sac. Now you understood why it is called as club fungi. Now you tell me why basidiomycetes is called as club fungi. मुझे आंसर चाहिए ही चाहिए, then only I will go आगे, otherwise मैं आगे जाएगा नहीं. You have to tell why basidiomycetes it is called as club fungi, then only I will start my lesson. Yes, आफ्टर डाइकैरियन स्टेज, सर आई एम रियली सॉरी, मेरा गलती हो गया. आफ्टर कैरियोगमी every cell it produces a club shaped structure, because it is producing club shaped sac like structure. After कैरियोगमी it is called as no मियोसिस बाद में होता है बच्चों, पहले कैरियोगमी. मियोसिस सैक में होता है. जय कुमार, नो बेटा, जय बेटा सुनो, मियोसिस बाद में होता है बेटा, पहले कैरियोगमी के बाद क्लब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर. ओके, एंड बाद में टू दिस क्लब लाइक स्ट्रक्चर दिस this diploid nucleus, it will move and then it undergoes meiosis, and meiosis ka wajah se 4 spores will be formed, and then this club like sac, it will burst and release all the spores out, and the spores wherever they will go and they will germinate into individual fungi. जय बेटा समझ में ना आपको? वेरी गुड. नाउ हु विल टेल बच्चों सोमैटोगमी? आई टोल्ड मैंने बोला. हाँ, आप कौन बोलेगा? सर प्लीज रिपीट वंस फ्रॉम फर्स्ट पॉइंट. ओके, फर्स्ट पॉइंट से मैं रिपीट करेगा. क्षितिजा वांट मी टू एक्सप्लेन वंस अगेन. नो प्रॉब्लम, आई विल एक्सप्लेन, बट बिफोर आई एक्सप्लेन लेट मी रब इट. नो नीड टू रब इट बिकॉज इसमें टाइम ज्यादा जाता है. टू हाइफे come close. Okay, after they come close, by dissolving their septum, the plasmogamy takes place. Due to the plasmogamy, एक ही सेल में 2 न्यूक्लियाई होता है. Okay children, now ये दोनों न्यूक्लियाई it undergoes one mitosis, one division. Because of that, एक ही सेल में 4 न्यूक्लियाई आएगा, and this 4 न्यूक्लियाई में 1 न्यूक्लियाई it goes to cell number 1 and the other nuclei goes to cell number 2, cell number 3. इसका वजह से हर एक सेल में, फर्स्ट सेल में भी, सेकंड सेल में भी, थर्ड सेल में भी 2 nuclei will be there. Understanding it? And after this 2 nuclei and this 2 nuclei, they fuses. Okay, they fuses to form single diploid nucleus, which is called as karyogamy. After karyogamy, every cell produces a sac-like structure, a club-shaped sac-like structure. That's why it is called as club fungi, where the nuclei gets migrated, and after the nuclei gets migrated into club-shaped sac, there it undergoes meiosis. Uska wajah se 4 spores are formed, and after forming the spores, this club-shaped cells hai na, they will blast and release all these particular spores out, and the spores, they will travel wherever they want to go and they will germinate into individual fungi. Who asked? Kiske liye I am repeating this? For whom? Yeah, exogenous. No, exogenous nahi. Inside the no bachcho, inside the what I call club only it is undergoing na, so it is endogenous only. But for whom I repeated it once. Yeah, क्षितिजा के लिए I repeated. क्षितिजा बेटा आपको समझ में है ना? और एक बार बोलूं मैं. You ask, if you ask once again also I'll tell, but you should understand. Crystal clear. Very nice, very nice. So somatogamy समझ में है children? Confidently everyone understood, sir? समझ में है? There is no problem. Okay, very nice, very nice. Now the next type. What is the next type bachcho? I already told two types. The first one is what? Somatogamy. Second one is what? Spermatization. Whereas the spermatization, it is shown by rust disease fungi. That means Basidiomycetes में, please understand बच्चों, थोड़ा ध्यान से सुनना है, otherwise you don't understand. Basidiomycetes में some Basidiomycetes like Puccinia, like what is that bachcho? You can call it as Puccinia also, but I will call it as Puccinia. My pronunciation is a little different. And Puccinia, it causes rust disease. बच्चों दिख रहा है ना, rust disease दिख रहा है ना आपको? And whatever the Basidiomycetes species, yeah, correct. And whatever the Basidiomycetes species which causes a rust disease, and all these particular rust disease causing Basidiomycetes members, they show spermatization. Okay, bachcho? Sir, example बोलिए. Example is Puccinia, which is also called as a rust fungi. Example is also लेके आया. Puccinia graminis, it causes black rust. Puccinia recondita, that causes brown rust. ये सब आपको, there is no need, only you need to remember Puccinia. आपको understanding के लिए मैं ये लेके आया. बच्चों, spermatization you understood? You understood spermatization? Okay. Now, if you really understand spermatization, it will be shown by dash fungi. Okay, you understood now, beta? Okay. If you understand, tell me. It is shown, yeah, Puccinia, but yeah, Puccinia, correct. But I'm expecting exact answer, not example. Yes, the Basidiomycetes members में who causes rust disease, and all that particular rust disease causing Basidiomycetes members, they show spermatization. Okay, very nice. Okay, now some examples. some examples of basidiomycetes. Some examples. Now some examples of basidiomycetes are, the first basidiomycetes example is bracket or shelf fungi. बच्चों mountain trekking time में how many of you have seen this? How many? At least I have seen. Usually trekking जाने time पे that trees को you can be able to see what is called polysporous, and polysporous it is called as bracket or shelf fungi. Okay, में बच्चों इट इज वेरी कॉमन. इट इज, ये देखने के लिए आप बहुत दूर नहीं जाना है. यू गो टू एनी माउंटेन फॉर ट्रैकिंग, यू कैन बी एबल टू सी व्हाट polyporous. Okay, polyporous it is also called as what? Bracket fungi. Understand? It is also called as what? Bracket fungi. Understanding it? And the next one is what? Puff balls. Puff balls मतलब what बच्चों? See, देखो Lycoperidon and also Clavatia. So these are called as what? Puff balls. Understanding it? And they show large fruiting body. दिख रहे हैं ना आपको? Large sac like fruiting body. Okay. Okay, this is the second examples. And the third example सबको पता है, हम खाता भी है. What is that? Mushrooms. बच्चों, how many of you had mushrooms बच्चों? How many of you had mushrooms? Sir, apicyclic means, apicyclic मतलब which grow on wood. Yes, which grow on wood. Okay, no बच्चों, you have to take mushrooms because mushrooms are the richest source of easily digested proteins. अंडरस्टैंड? मशरूम में आपको इजीली डाइजेस्टेड प्रोटीन्स मिलता है. ओके, सो जब आपको चांस मिलेगा तो यू प्लीज हैव मशरूम्स. ओके, नाउ एंड देखो मशरूम्स में देखो एगारिकस, आपको मोर मार्केट इफ यू गो एंड इफ यू गो टू व्हाट इज रिलायंस मार्ट एंड देयर यू कैन बी एबल टू सी. Okay, 45 rupees per packet they will take and you can happily have it. And next one is what? Ink cup mushroom, which usko bolte hai, read it, what is it? Coprinus. Okay, see, this is called ink fungus. देखो fungi में ink डालेगे तो कैसे? या इट इज मेड इन होम, बट थोड़ा मेहनत करना है. ये इतना मेहनत क्यों करना है बच्चों? आराम से 40 रुपए स्पेंड करेगा तो मोर मार्केट में मिलता है ना? 40 रुपीज में मिलेगा. लेकिन घर पे बनाने के लिए बाप रे बहुत बड़ी दिक्कत है. सो इंस्टेड ऑफ ग्रोइंग इन एट होम, मशरूम्स कल्चर करने में थोड़ा दिक्कत होता है ना, इसलिए बाई इट इन मोर मार्केट. ओके, एंड द नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? या कंपोस्टिंग. यस, कंपोस्ट में बनता है. एंड नेक्स्ट वन इज व्हाट? एमानिटा. यू नो द कंप्लीट वर्ल्ड में द मोस्ट पॉइजनस मशरूम दिखता है बहुत सुंदर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? बट लगता है, अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट, बहुत भयानक. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? सो दिखता है बहुत सुंदर. देखो बच्चों, वी लिटरली फेल इन लव बाय सीइंग दिस मशरूम. देखो कितना सुंदर दिख रहा है, रेड, एज इफ इट इज लुकिंग लाइक अ कपकेक. एम आई करेक्ट और नॉट? बट इफ यू ईट इट you will be no more. Understand it? You can take permanent leave from this world. Permanent leave चाहिए तो you can take Amanita. Understanding it or not? So these are mushrooms. Okay, and बच्चों remaining examples you can read it. बच्चों remaining examples can you read or shall I take? Sir, और एक बार पढ़ो. Yes ना? Are you sure बच्चों? Remaining examples will you be able to read? 3 more examples you can read or not? Yes sir? Okay, then the next one is Deuteromycetes. बच्चों Deuteromycetes, it is really a kind of unique. Sir, India में no, India में this mushrooms can't be seen. No, poisonous mushrooms are not growing in India. Okay, some western countries में they are growing. Okay, now the next one is nothing but Deuteromycetes. Bachcho, if you take Deuteromycetes, it is called as fungi imperfecti. You know, it is one of the question which is asked more than 2-3 times. बच्चों, trust me, in your NEET exam में more than 2-3 times this question is asked. More than 2-3 times. Why sir? Why it is asked more than 2-3 times? Because इतना importance है. Because the only fungi which do not show sexual reproduction is nothing but Deuteromycetes. एक ही fungi उसमें sexual reproduction होता ही नहीं. and that is nothing but what? Deuteromycetes. Now tell me bachcho, which fungi do not show the sexual reproduction? Which fungi mein sexual reproduction is bilkul absent hai? Which one? Yes, that is the reason why it is called as dash, because it don't show sexual reproduction, it is called as dash. Yes, imperfect fungi or fungi imperfect, you write anything, ये आगे पीछे हो जाएगा तो पीछे आगे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, Understand? मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है, मैं तो मार्क्स देता है, मैं क्या, anyone has to give marks. Okay, it is called as imperfect fungi or fungi imperfect, whereas the mycelium is septate and branched, and the cell wall is made up of chitin, and they live on land, understanding it, and large number they are decomposers only. And the asexual, sir today send me questions for solve. Okay, 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 if you want every day I'll send, bachcho, not only today, if you want every day I'll send. Okay, whenever my class is there, week में 3 दिन लगेगा ना, 3 दिन, all the 3 days I'll send my, चाहिए तो मैं आपको हर दिन भेजता है. Okay, now so terrestrial, mostly terrestrial, and mostly they are decomposers. Okay, and asexual reproduction takes place by conidia, and sexual reproduction is completely absent, or till date it is not known. Because sexual reproduction is absent, it is called as fungi imperfecti. बच्चों Deuteromycetes समझ में ना children? Children, आपको समझ में ना Deuteromycetes? Now if you understand, 3 questions can I ask? Only 3, ज्यादा नहीं, only 3 questions. Now why Deuteromycetes is called as imperfect fungi? Tell me, reason क्या है बच्चों? Yes, because there is no sexual reproduction, that is a reason why it is called as imperfect fungi. Which type of asexual reproduction can be seen in Deuteromycetes? Which type of asexual reproduction can be seen in? By conidiospores. Okay bachcho, now mostly Deuteromycetes, they show which type of nutrition? Mostly which type of nutrition can be seen? Yes, decomposing, saprobic. Understood bachcho? And their cell wall, it is made up of what bachcho? This even anyone can answer. A chota bachcho also can be able to answer. Yes, this so I know. Okay, now examples. बच्चों देखो examples देखो आपको. Now this particular Deuteromycetes, it causes some diseases. देखो athlete foot disease आपको, how many of you have seen this particular, this is called as trichophyton disease. This is called as what? Tricho. बच्चों ये नहीं देखा, sometimes some people their legs, their foot, they it gets ringworm बोलता है, ringworm, and मार्केट में itch guard मिलता है आपको. Understand? Itch guard है ना, that itch guard they have to. Okay, so this is called as what? Ringworm disease of foot. Understanding it? Which is caused due to what? Trichophyton fungi. Which fungi causes at a ringworm disease of ringworm of foot bachcho? Tell me, which fungi causes ringworm? Yes, trichophyton. Okay bachcho, now. And it also causes either each bachcha, how many of you seen itch guard ka ad? How many of you have seen itch guard ka ad? You have seen na, इधर ऐसा, and that husband will come, ऐसा करता है, and ringworm आता है, and ice cube इसमें आएगा. Understanding it? And this और मैं क्या बोलूं बच्चों, सही बोल रहे हैं ना मैं? आप तो हंसते हैं, बट मैं सही बोल रहे हैं ना? Okay, अरे यार शर्म आ रहे हैं, so please stop. Okay, okay. So, but you understood na? So that causes what? Microsporum, trichophyton, which causes ringworm disease. Itching sensation आता है. Okay, children. Okay, and few more examples. Let us take few more examples. देखो, see देखो, it alternaria, what again? Solani. It causes what? Early blight disease in potato, and also what else? Sarcospora. It causes what? tikka disease in groundnut, like that some other examples are there. Okay, and colito this so everyone must have seen. When you are tearing this particular vertical sugar cane, you can be able to see red color patches, and that is caused due to colitotrichum. Okay, and remaining you can read, बच्चों. एग्जाम्पल्स के बारे में इतना टाइम देना ये ठीक नहीं है. एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन रीड ना बच्चों, एग्जाम्पल्स यू कैन रीड ना. यस ना बच्चों, फॉर योर कन्वीनियंस, फॉर योर अंडरस्टैंडिंग, मैं हिसाब लेके आया. प्लीज रीड द डिफरेंसेस. आपको अच्छे से समझ में आएगा, और अच्छे से और बेहतरीन आपको समझ में आएगा इफ यू रीड दिस टेबल. ओके, वॉट एवर एक्सप्लेन्ड yesterday and today, I framed it in a table, and अच्छे से पढ़ो बच्चों. Now today's last one बच्चों, with this I am going to stop today's lesson. The last group, what is the last group बच्चों? With this fungi completely done, there is nothing left to explain in fungi. The last one is nothing but what? Mycophycophyta. Mycophycophyta. And mycophycophyta मतलब बच्चों प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली, अदरवाइज मैं बोल रहे हैं ना आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. आई एम टेलिंग यू, समझ में नहीं आएगा. सम ग्रुप ऑफ फंगाई बच्चों, व्हाट इज दैट? सम ग्रुप ऑफ फंगाई, दे मेक symbiotic association. They make symbiotic association with either plants or with algae. And the fungi which makes the symbiotic association with either with algae or either with higher plants, they all called as what? Mycophycophyta. Now you tell me, what do you mean by mycophycophyta? Tell me, answer दीजिए बच्चों. What do you mean by mycophycophyta? समझ में नहीं आया? और एक बार बोलो मैं. ओके, आई थिंक सो यू डिड नॉट अंडरस्टैंड. और एक बार बोलेगा मैं. The fungi which make symbiotic association with algae or higher plants. Algae is also a plant only, understand it? So algae or even higher plants, and this all fungi, all the symbiotic fungi, every symbiotic fungi which makes association with plants, and all this particular fungi are called as what? Mycophycophyta. Now we understood. Symbiosis बच्चों, symbiosis मतलब give and take. That means the association in which दोनों equally benefited, then that is called as symbiosis. The association in which दोनों equally benefited. For example, देखो, I'll tell you, you are there, okay, and you have what you call 100 rupees with you, and you went to rise of Raisa. Okay, now you went to what? Shopkeeper, and now shopkeeper has some sweets. Now you give 100 rupees to the shopkeeper, so you are not at loss, because in return you are getting what? Sweets. And shopkeeper, he is giving sweets, he is not at loss because he is getting 100 rupees of money. This is called as what? Symbiosis. That means association में दो organisms are present and दोनों equally benefited, then that is called as symbiosis. साक्षी बेटी समझ में है ना? साक्षी बेटी समझ में है ना? दोनों equally benefited. Yeah, common relationship only. Yeah, it's a common. We are also symbiotic only. I am explaining you, understanding it. And मुझे आप result दे रहे. So yeah, example mycorrhiza and lichens. दो examples बच्चों. दो examples. One lichens and second example is mycorrhiza. Mycorrhiza. First we will take lichens. Okay, children. Chalo, shall we take? Chalo. Okay. Now lichens. बच्चों, first of all, the term lichens was given by Theophrastus. Who is Theophrastus? कौन है Theophrastus? पता नहीं, भूल गया मैंने. Who is this Theophrastus बच्चों? Yes, father of botany. Okay, and the branch of biology that deals with the study of lichens, it is called as a lichenology. Now tell me बच्चों, studying about lichens called as lichenology. ओके बच्चों, वेयर एज एरिक एक्यारियस थोड़ा अजीब नाम है बट इंपॉर्टेंट नाम है, एरिक एक्यारियस. ओके, एरिक एक्यारियस इज अ फादर ऑफ लाइकेनोलॉजी. नो प्रॉब्लम यार, इसमें क्या है? मैं भी कितना बार गलती किया, आपको भी याद है ना. मिस्टेक्स करना ये ह्यूमन टेंडेंसी है, सो यू डोंट वरी. ओके, now studying about who is the father of lichenology बच्चों? Father of lichenology is Eric Icarius. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? एंड बच्चों थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो बच्चों, अच्छे से सुनो, अदरवाइज आपको समझ में नहीं आएगा. प्लीज लिसन केयरफुली. कुछ डाउट्स आएगा तो प्लीज आस्क मी. ओके, डोंट सिट क्वाइट, प्लीज आस्क मी डाउट्स है तो. नाउ देखो, लाइकेंस मतलब क्या है? लाइकेंस आर द सिंबायोटिक रिलेशनशिप बिटवीन, अगेन रिपीट करेगा, लाइकेंस आर द सिंबायोटिक association between fungi, between what? Fungi with algae. With what? Algae. So when the fungi, it is making symbiotic association with algae, and that type of symbiotic association को बोलते हैं हम, क्या बोलते हैं बच्चों? लाइकेंस. पॉइंट नंबर 1 समझ में ना? थोड़ा अच्छे से सुनो बच्चों, प्लीज अच्छे से सुनो. इधर तक पॉइंट नंबर 1 समझ में ना? Okay, now if you really understand what is lichens, tell me. समझ में ना? वेरी गुड. टेल मी व्हाट इज लाइकेंस. क्या नहीं आंसर दे रहे? क्या हुआ बच्चों? द सिंबायोटिक एसोसिएशन बिटवीन algae एंड फंगाई is called as lichens. Okay, now please understand. Now see, for example, एक गर्ल इज देयर एंड वो एक बॉय इज देयर. दोनों इफ दे मैरिड, उसको नाम होता है ना, व्हाट, बॉय को बोलते हैं हस्बैंड बोलते हैं, गर्ल को बोलते हैं वाइफ बोलते हैं. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? लाइक दैट इन दिस लाइकेंस में फंगाई एंड algae दोनों आर देयर ना. फंगाई का हम बोलता है, रीड इट बच्चों, माइकोबायोंट. फंगाई को हम बोलते हैं क्या बच्चों? फंगाई का हम क्या बोलते हैं? माइकोबायोंट. एंड algae को हम बोलते हैं फाइकोबायोंट और फोटोबायोंट. यू राइट एनीथिंग. नाउ टेल मी बच्चों, what is the meaning of mycobiont and phycobiont? Phycobiont matlab, what is the meaning of phycobiont? The algal partner is called as, the algal partner of lichen is called as, the algal partner of the lichens is called as, क्या समझ में नहीं आया? और एक बार बोलूं मैं बच्चों, और एक बार बोलूं. Oh, you already gave the answer. Okay, so it is called as mycobiont, and fungal partner mycobiont. Understood बच्चों? Now listen carefully, but please listen carefully. Second point also you understood and you gave answer also. Third point अच्छे से सुनो. Fungi, please understand, fungi algae को shelter देता है and algae fungi को खाना देता है. Now you tell me, फंगाई algae को क्या देता है बच्चों? फंगाई algae को क्या देता है? शेल्टर. अंडरस्टैंडिंग इट? एंड आल्सो एब्जॉर्ब वाटर, पानी भी देता है, एंड आल्सो पानी भी देता है, एंड मिनरल्स भी देता है. एंड algae फंगाई को क्या देता है? algae फंगाई को क्या देता है? खाना देता है. बिकॉज algae इज फोटोसिंथेटिक. algae बच्चों, algae इज अ प्लांट, आपको पता है ना? आई थिंक ये भी पता नहीं है क्या? आई एम अननेसेसरली आस्किंग. एवरीवन नो algae is plant only, so it produces a food material. Okay, so algae, it gives food to fungi, and fungi, it is giving what? Shelter, and also absorbs water for what? Algae. So dono equally benefited na, that's why it is called a symbiotic association. Now you understood? Now you, I think you understood. but एक छोटा चीज I'll tell you now. Mother and father, understanding it? Now if you take mother and father, dono, they are mutually benefited, am I correct? Not, but still the association in which dono are equal, but dono are what you call, dono are important, but one is dominating other. For example, I'm talking about my family. I'm talking in my family, not my family, everyone's family may, if you take mothers are more dominant than fathers. Am I correct or not? Is this true or not? Okay, mother, understanding it, always scold father. Am I correct or not? At least this is common. Am I correct or not? मेरे पास 10 हाथ नहीं है. Understanding it? Am I correct or not? This is a common thing. Mothers are more dominant over the fathers. That means the relationship in which दोनों are present, but still one is dominating other. then that is called as master slave hypothesis, which was given by what? Crombie. Now tell me bachcho, Crombie, what he told? Crombie, he's a scientist, what he told? अरे दोनों are present, but दोनों में one is dominating other, then that is called as master slave hypothesis, and this type of association it is called as helotism. Now tell, one of the very important question is nothing but helotism. Like I'm telling you na, it's a most important helotism question. It is asked more than 2-3 times. Now tell me बच्चों, what do you mean by helotism? आपको क्या समझ में आया? Helotism मतलब क्या है? दोनों are present, दोनों are benefited equally, but one is dominating other. Like husband and wife stay together and mutually benefited, but wife is dominating the husband. Then this is called as helotism. And sir, lichens में algae is there, fungi is there. Who is dominating whom? Fungi always dominate algae. Understood बच्चों? Fungi always dominate algae. समझ में ना बच्चों? ये स्लाइड में any doubts are there? Yeah, life of male is pathetic. Always it is a female dominant society where we are getting dominated from generations after generations. क्या करूं? Come on, speak out at least now. Don't marry, be happy. Okay? Till the third point. The association, lichen association में usually fungal partner is more dominant than the algal partner, and the association which one partner is more dominant than the second partner, then that is called as helotism, and it was described as a master slave relationship by a scientist called as Crombie. समझ में ना बेटा क्षितिजा? समझ में ना क्षितिजा बेटी? समझ में ना आपको? Yes. Okay. देखो for example you go toward movie theater and हम गधा जैसे we will stand in a queue and एक लेडी आएगा टका 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 आएगा and she will put her hand in the counter and मुझे टिकट चाहिए and इधर 10 man ये donkey से क्या? Are they donkeys? Are they gadas or what? And she will एक पर्स वेर के ऐसा करके she will come and she will take the ticket. What is this? We need to speak up. Time आ गया. Understanding, we have to speak. Okay. No. Fungi is husband and algae is wife. क्या funny है? That means men's life became funny for you. That means men's freedom के लिए there is no value. थोड़ा ज्यादा हो गया मस्ती. चलो. Shall we take another slide? No problem ना? Okay. Yes. Sir, किधर lichens दिखता है बच्चों? Lichens they are mostly perennial. Sir, what is perennial मतलब क्या है बच्चों? What is this perennial? मुझे पता ही नहीं. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of perennial? What is the meaning of perennial? I'm expecting answer, इसलिए मैं नई बात कर रहे. No Razia, you are wrong. Yes, Tanishk is correct. The organism which live for many years, so many साल जिएगा तो then that is called as perennial. Peri-annual. Peri means what? Many. Annual means what? साल. That means years. Many years if they live, then that is called as perennial. And aerial. ये aerial मतलब क्या है? मुझे सर्फ एक्सेल पता है. Then what is aerial? Okay. What is aerial? Aerial matlab it is present on the earth surface. That's why it is known aerial matlab it's not that aerial, flying aerial nahi. Lichens they don't fly बच्चों. Lichens का case में aerial matlab they live on the surface of the soil. Okay, and very slow growing, so slow growing, and they are long lived. Okay, whereas sir why they are slow growing? Because their body में एक nature is there. What is that ना? In their bodies the protein synthesis always takes very slow. Now tell me बच्चों, why lichens grow very slow? Reason क्या है? Lichens grow very slow. क्यों they grow very slow? Because their body में photosynthesis slow जाता है. Slowly photosynthesis protein synthesis takes place. That is the reason why they grow very late. ज्यादा दिन लगेगा उसको ग्रोथ के लिए। समझ में ना बच्चों? एनी डाउट्स आर देयर चिल्ड्रन? प्लीज आस्क, एनी डाउट्स यू प्लीज आस्क। समझ में आ रहा है ना? यस। नाउ देखो, sometimes the lichens they grow on rocks. If the lichens they grow on rocks, then that is called as saxicolous. No. If the lichens they grow on the bark of the tree, then that is called as corticolous. No. If they are growing on soil, then that is called as terricolous. No. If they are growing on the burnt wood, then that is called as lignicolous. देखो बच्चों, they are growing on soil, they are growing on bark, they are growing on soil मिट्टी पे, and they are growing on dry wood, burnt wood, like that they live in this habitats. समझ में ना बच्चों? Now tell me, the lichens which grow on rocks are called as dash. Lichens which grow on rocks are called, lichens grow on, yes, lichens grow on burnt wood called burnt wood. Lichens grow on burnt wood called lignicolous. ओके बच्चों, हैबिटेट समझ में है ना? हैबिटेट समझ में है ना चिल्ड्रन? Now the next one, classification of lichens. बच्चों, I can say definitely the more questions in the NEET, it comes from the classification of lichens only. Lichens को ऊपर many questions will come. Okay, lichens classification में lichens are classified in 3 different criteria. What are the 3 different criteria? The first one is which fungal component is present. The first one is what? Which fungal component is present. मान लो in the lichens में, lichens मतलब आपको पता है ना, algae and fungi will be there, and algae is blue green algae. Algae is what बच्चों? Blue green algae, and fungi is nothing but ascomycetes. Then that is called as ascolichens. Now tell me बच्चों, what is the meaning of ascolichens? If the fungal partner belongs to ascomycetes group, if fungi belongs to ascomycetes, then that is called as ascolichens. समझ में आ रहा है ना बच्चों? If the fungal partner belongs to which group बच्चों? Ascomycetes, then that is called as ascolichens. Okay. Whereas if the fungal partner belongs to basidomycetes, then that is called as what? Basidolichens. Okay. So first classification समझ में है ना? Now tell me बच्चों, first classification is based on, tell me, the first classification is based on which fungal partner? कौन सा fungal partner? Okay. If the fungal partner is ascomycetes, then if the fungal partner is ascomycetes, then ascolichens. No. If the fungal partner is basidomycetes, then yes, basidolichens. Okay, very good. Now the next one is based on the algal partner, based on the algal component. Macho, if you take again based on the algal component, again there are 2 types. One, homomerous thalli, and next one is heteromerous thalli. Sir, what is the meaning of homomerous thalli? Homomerous thalli matlab बच्चों, if you take lichens में algae will be there, fungi will be there. ये तो आपको पता है ना? Now algae and fungi, they are present in equal percentage. That means lichens, let us take 100%, इसमें 50% algae will be there and 50% what? Fungi will be there. That means दोनों equally present, then that is called as homomerous thalli. बच्चों homomerous thalli समझ में ना? सच बोलना है बच्चों, you have to tell truth. समझ में ना? Now but मुझे समझ में नहीं है. Can anyone tell what is the meaning of homomerous thalli? Homomerous thalli मतलब क्या? algae and fungi दोनों equally present. Now heteromerous fungi मतलब क्या है? Heteromerous fungi मतलब क्या है? More fungi will be there and algae. For example, more than 70% is what fungi will be there. Only 30% what will be there? Algae will be there. Understand? That means very less portion of what? Algae, and more dominant portion is what? Fungi. Then that is called as what? Heteromerous thalli. समझ में ना children? बच्चों, is this okay? Okay, nice, very good. Okay, yeah, because more fungi. Yes, correct, Rajia, you are perfectly correct. Yes, you are perfectly correct. Now again lichens are again classified into 3 types based on the thallus. बेस्ड ऑन व्हाट? थैलस। मान लो, प्लीज लिसन, मान लो crustose lichen is there. बच्चों, it is called as crustose lichen. The crustose lichen, the lichens which are flat and closely attached to the rocks, then that is called as crustose lichens. Now tell me बच्चों, what is crustose lichens? The lichens which are flat and closely attached to the rocks, then that is called as crustose lichen. Now tell me, I told the, now you have to tell, what do you mean by crustose lichen? What do you mean by crustose lichen? The lichens which are flat and attached to the rocks, then that is called as crustose lichen. Now the next one is what? Foliose lichen. Sir, what is foliose lichen? The lichens are which are flat, lichens which are flat and they are having lobed leaf like structure. Sir, leaf मुझे पता है, lobed leaf like structure मतलब क्या है? Sir, मुझे leaf पता है, you need not to tell. What is the meaning of lobed leaf? The leaf it consisting of ऐसा projections. The leaf it consisting of projections, then that is called as lobed. बच्चों समझ में ना? लीफ पता है ना बच्चों, बट लीफ मतलब ऐसा होता है, बट लोब्ड लीफ मतलब ऐसा होता है, ऐसा projections. So now you tell me बच्चों, the lichens which are flat and they consisting of lobed leaf like structure and they attaches to the rocks with the help of a special root like structures called as rhizoids, then that is called as rhizoid like structure called rhizines, then that is called as foliose lichen. Now tell me बच्चों, what is the meaning of foliose lichen? Crustose lichen मतलब flat lichens which are closely attached to the rocks. Okay. Foliose lichens मतलब flat lobed leaf like structures attached to the rock with the help of root like structures called as rhizines, then that is called as foliose lichen. समझ में ना children? Yes, very very good. Now the next one, fruticose lichen. Fruticose lichen मतलब एक छोटा श्रब जैसे, बच्चों एक छोटा श्रब पता है ना, एक छोटा श्रब जैसे, छोटा प्लांट जैसे, लाइक मिंट प्लांट एंड लाइक कोरिएंडर, धनिया प्लांट, छोटा प्लांट्स जैसे, if the lichens grow, then the sir crustose. बच्चों वेरी सिंपल, कल्पेश, lichens है ना फ्लैट दिखता है, they are very flat and they are very tightly closely attached to the rocks, then that is called as crustose lichen. That's it. देखो crustose lichens मतलब they are flat होता है. सर आपने जो early में था वो क्या, what is this रजिया, आपने जो, समझ में नहीं आया, सॉरी. हाँ, स्लाइड में क्या हुआ बेटी? Previous slide you want me to show? Yes, correct. Yes sir. If they are closely attached, चिपकता है, then this is called as what? Crustose lichen. Okay beta? Yes, you are correct. Yes, sorry I did not understand. Follicose lichen, you want me to explain follicose lichen? Follicose lichen मतलब, see the follicose lichen, they are flat and they consisting of what? Lobed leaf like structure, and मान लो this is rock, मान लो this is rock and they are attached to the rock by root like structures which are called as rhizines. With the help of rhizines, if they attaches to the rock, then that is called as follicose lichen. Foliose lichen. समझ में ना? Who asked? इशिता बेटी, समझ में ना? वेरी नाइस. वेराज फ्रूटिकोज लाइकन मतलब क्या बच्चों? फ्रूटिकोज लाइकन मतलब इफ द लाइकन्स आर छोटा श्रब जैसे है, छोटा श्रब जैसे है, देन दैट इज कॉल्ड एज फ्रूटिकोज लाइकन and they attaches to the rocks with the help of mucilaginous disc. That means मान लो this is a lichen, मान लो this is a lichen and lichen का नीचे you can be able to see mucilage disc like structure and this mucilage disc like structure से it gets attached to the substratum, then that is called as fruticose lichen. समझ में ना चिल्ड्रन? एनी डाउट्स इन द क्लासिफिकेशन ऑफ लाइकेंस? एंड अगेन बाद में मुझे ब्लेम मत कर, मैं पहले ही बोल रहे, लाइकेन क्लासिफिकेशन इज वेरी 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 इंपॉर्टेंट. क्लियर? ओके. नाउ रिप्रोडक्शन. बच्चों आई डोंट नो, मुझे भी रीजन मुझे पता नहीं, रिप्रोडक्शन में अभी तक क्वेश्चन ही नहीं आया. very not at all important. I don't know sir मुझे doubt Tanvi ask Tanvi, you ask any doubts you can ask. Oh, no doubt. Sorry. Okay, you want me to explain shortly all the types of lichens? Dekho, if the lichens which fungal partner is present? Ascomycetes fungal partner is present. Ascolichens. No. Basidiomycetes fungal partner is there, then that is called as basidolichens. If algae and fungi dono equally present, homothalous. No. If fungal partner is more, algal partner come hai, then that is called as heterothalous. Lichens are flat. Yeah. Lichens are flat and they're closely attached to the rocks. Crustose lichen. Lichens are flat and lobed leaf-like structure and they're attached to the rocks by root-like structures called as rhizines. Then that is called as follicose lichen. Lichens are छोटा plants जैसे shrubs जैसे दिखता है and they're attached to the substratum, that means rocks, with the help of mucilage disc. Then that is called as fruticose lichen. कल्पेश बेटा समझ में है ना? Enveloped मतलब covered बेटा. Enveloped मतलब covered. Enveloped. For example, मेरा move देखो, my move it is covered by hands. So my move it is enveloped by hands. Okay, covered. Okay, now the next one. What is the next one, bachcho? Reproduction. I don't know, bachcho. You don't ask me hypothetical questions. Even I also don't have answer. I don't know. Abhi tak reproduction of lichens में single question also not asked. Okay, yeah, they grow erect. I don't know. मुझे reason you don't ask me, sir. क्यों it is not asked? मुझे क्या पता? मुझे भी पता नहीं. Understanding it? So I don't know. Lichens reproduction is not that important, but still you have to read it. Lichens, they reproduce vegetatively also, asexually also. Erect matlab straight. Okay, now reproduction, it takes place by vegetative reproduction also, asexual reproduction also, and also sexual reproduction. Asexual reproduction, it takes place by fragmentation, and special gray white bodies called as soridium and special gray black bodies called as isidium. Okay, don't read because bachcho abhi tak nowhere these questions are asked and they're not going to be asked also. I don't know, reason mujhe pata nahi, but now tell me bachcho, vegetative reproduction takes place by fragmentation by a grayish white bodies called as soridium or grayish black bodies called as isidium, and asexual reproduction by oidiospores or conidiospores, whereas sexual reproduction by what I call carpogonium, female sex organ, and spermogonium, male sex organ. So this is the reproduction of lichens. Okay, children, and mat pado bachcho, no one will ask reproduction of lichens. I don't know reason. So don't ask hypothetical questions. Reason मुझे भी पता नहीं. Why they won't be asked? मतलब इसको आंसर मेरा पास भी नहीं है. Okay, children. Now, one of the most important is nothing but economic importance of lichens. बच्चों रख दो. You लिख के रखो. 100% question will come out of this economic importance. It's like आप fix हो जाओ. You mentally get fixed. 100% NEET में these questions will come. Okay, sir, what is economic importance? The first economic importance is ecological importance. That means lichens का वजह से pedogenesis होता है. बच्चों pedogenesis आपको पता है? बच्चों, you know what is pedogenesis? Soil formation. That means pedogenesis मतलब, you want me to write? I'll write. आपके लिए I'll write it also. Pedogenesis मतलब soil formation. That means lichens, they grow on rocks na, because they grow on rocks they produces acids like carbonic acid. Because lichens they produces carbonic acid, the rocks they gets dissolved to form soil. समझ में ना बच्चों? Ecological importance समझ में ना? सच बोलना है. You please tell me truth. Okay, आप सच बोलना है. Don't lie. Okay, If you don't understand, I am here na. You ask me, I will tell once again. Now tell me how lichens are called as how lichens they helps in soil formation. Tell me. Okay, you understood. Okay, I am happy. Then tell me, if you understand, tell me how the lichens they helps in pedogenesis. They grow on rocks because their body will produce a type of acid called as carbonic acid, oxalic acid. This because of this acids का वजह से या बेटा तनिष्क मैं आपके लिए रिपीट कर रहे हैं बेटा. Lichens they grow on rocks na beta, because they grow on rocks. This lichens they produce some acids. What are the acids? Carbonic acid, oxalic acid. Because of this acids है ना, the rocks they slowly they dissolve into the soil, and this is called as what? Pedogenesis. समझ में ना? The process of the formation of the soil is called as pedogenesis. So the lichens they helps in soil formation. तनिष्क बेटा समझ में ना आपको? और एक बार बोलूं मैं. No problem. You ask me 10 times, I'll tell you. Okay, nice. Okay, now lichens are also used in food also. Cladonia and also Parmelia, and these are used in our foods also. Sir, आपने खाया? मैं कभी भी नहीं खाया बच्चों. I am South Indian, फिर भी मैं नहीं खाया. I never had. I don't know. Maybe some South Indians they use. Understanding it? So Parmelia, it is called as a rock flower. Understanding it? It is used as a spice. Biryani tayari mein they will use. Understanding it? Okay, and lichens are the source of antibiotics also. There is one lichen called as Asnia and another called as Cladonia. इसके वो lichen से we will take arsenic acid also, and it is one of the good antibiotic. And lichens are the best pollution indicators. Wherever pollution is there, their lichens never grow. Wherever pollution is there, lichens they don't grow. That's why lichens are called as pollution indicators. They are called as what? Especially lichens, they are more sensitive towards sulfur dioxide. More sensitive towards sulfur dioxide. Children, आपको समझ में आ रहा है ना? और बाउंसर्स हो रहे हैं? No na? Whereas some lichens like Asnia, which is called as old man's beard, it causes even forest fires also. And litmus paper, acidity, basic nature, acidic nature के लिए एक litmus paper you use ना, that litmus paper it is produced from lichens only, which is called as Rochella, and this is important question for your NEET. Okay बच्चों? Economic importance में any doubts are there? You ask me any doubts, मुझे कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. Now बच्चों, lesson finished. Lesson is finished. Last topic is mycorrhiza. Sir, no doubts. Sir, second indicator. What is the second indicator, Kalpesh? Second indicator नहीं, it is indicator of pollution beta. Second indicator नहीं, it indicates pollution. Mostly सल्फर डाइऑक्साइड पोल्यूशन के बारे में ज्यादा रेस्पॉन्स देता है. दैट इज द सेकंड इंडिकेटर नहीं, इट इज सेकंड पॉइंट दैट यू हैव टू टेल. सेकंड पॉइंट इज some places में the lichens are used as food also, like Cladonia and Parmelia, but I don't know, मैं कभी भी नहीं खाया, मुझे पता नहीं. Some places में they are used as food. I don't know what is where. I never have seen also. Please don't ask me. Okay, second point. Okay बच्चों, indicator of air pollution. Yes Kalpesh, it is an indicator of air pollution, and mostly it do not grow in where pollution is there you can't be able to see the growth of lichens. That's why it is the best pollution indicator. Especially sulfur dioxide के लिए it is very sensitive. पूरा pollution के लिए it is sensitive, but more sensitive towards what? Sulfur dioxide. Okay, yes, indicator of air pollution. Okay, now last point बच्चों, mycorrhiza मतलब बच्चों, I got one idea. See, इतना मैंने एक्सप्लेन किया ना, why don't you explain mycorrhiza? Okay, today आप टाइम लो, tomorrow who will explain? You tell me, who will explain? पहले टिकट बुक कर दो. Who will explain mycorrhiza tomorrow? Yeah, पोल्यूशन है तो दे विल डिसअपियर. पोल्यूशन आया, वो गया. हु विल एक्सप्लेन माइकोराइजा? सी इतना मैंने पूरा फंगई में ही पढ़ा है ना. मैं एक टॉपिक दे रहे, आप नहीं पढ़ सकते क्या मेरे लिए? हु विल टीच माइकोराइजा टुमारो फॉर मी? सी नो वन आर कमिंग. ये सही नहीं है बच्चों. प्लीज ट्राई एटलीस्ट. सी आई एम देयर ना. may do you think that I am going to leave you or leave you as such? No na. I will. How मतलब you on your mic and you tell. आप अच्छे से माइक ऑन करके आप बोलिए. ओके. Deal. Okay. Who will explain tomorrow? Who will explain? Let's come to a deal. Who will explain tomorrow mycorrhiza? कॉर्टिकल सेल्स मतलब प्लांट्स का बच्चों, प्लांट का अंदर सेल्स. प्लांट सी मेरा बॉडी का अंदर, लाइक दैट प्लांट बॉडी का अंदर इनसाइड सेल्स आर कॉल्ड एज कॉर्टिकल सेल्स. प्लांट का इनसाइड सेल्स आर कॉल्ड एज कॉर्टिकल सेल्स. ओके. टुमारो विल यू एक्सप्लेन? फॉस्फेट न्यूट्रिशन मतलब दे एब्जॉर्ब फॉस्फेट्स. Mycorrhiza, they absorb phosphate from the soil, and because they are absorbing phosphates from the soil, that is called as phosphate nutrition. Okay, Razia will explain. Tomorrow Razia Beti is going to explain mycorrhiza. बच्चों don't think that I don't help. आपको कुछ दिक्कत आएगा तो I will help you. Okay, you don't worry. आप confidently आप बात करो. कुछ प्रॉब्लम है तो I will help you. Okay, Razia? Okay, चलो आज मैं I'll take leave. Okay बच्चों, we'll meet tomorrow then. Bye children. Bye.